Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Regos Productions, and today in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some tips that you can apply today and start making some money as a digital marketing agent, okay? Whereby you help some businesses to run ads, whether YouTube ads or Facebook ads. But for today in this video we're going to be focusing on Facebook ads, okay? So I'm going to be sharing with you how you can find customers or find people who need your services and provide these services to them and make some money. So if you want to learn these strategies, make sure you stick around till the end of this video because these steps, they are a little bit complicated. So I'm going to be showing you everything in details. You don't want to miss out any steps so that you don't get it all wrong, okay? So if you want to really get these strategies, you must stay to the end of this video and follow each step by step the way I show you, okay? So now I'm going to dive into my computer and I'm going to show you step by step on how you can apply this strategy. So welcome to my computer. So this strategy is simple but tricky, okay? So now we're going to be looking for some businesses and how we can help them come in and bridging the gap and help them to generate more leads, more customers for their businesses. And by so doing, we help them to make more money and then they'll be willing to pay us some money too. All right, so we are coming in as agencies, okay? That's what we're going to be doing in this video. Now I'm going to take, for example, I'm going to look for, so let me search for businesses like dentists. So I come to my Google here, I search for dentists in Texas. So when this pops up, okay, so I just scroll down and start looking at some of the websites I have here and then to check and see if they are running ads or not. So let me just click on this one here. I click on this one here, it opens up here. So this is an example of this website, okay? So when I come to this website now, I'm going to find out if this website is running an ad or not. So there's a simple tool that we're going to install to help us to find that, and that is called Facebook Pixel Helper, okay? So it is a Chrome add-on, it's an extension. So just search it and install it. So I'm just going to show you how you can just search it and install Facebook Pixel Helper. It comes here. So once it comes here, just click on this and install it. So you can see this is already installed on my browser here. So you can see this is the icon here, okay? So once you just do that, it's very simple to do. Now when you go to this website, okay, want to find out if they are running a sort of Facebook retargeting ads on their website or not, and if they are not, then we can now contact them, reach out to them so that we can bridge in the gap and offer such services to them and help them to begin to do that. And then when they see value in it and they see what is in for them, then they can now patronize our services, okay? So if I check here now, I click on that Facebook Pixel Helper here, then I can see that no pixel is found on this website. So it means that this website is not running an ad. Let me check the next website again and see. So it's a good one for us. Okay, I take this other one here. I check again. Okay, no pixel found. So what I simply do is I just go to contact, email them, send them an email, send them a message on their Facebook page, on their Instagram accounts, and just get in touch with them. And I'm going to share with you the scripts on what you're going to say to them, what you're going to send to them, and what you're going to do even when you hook up on call with them. So I'm going to be sharing all of that inside of this video with you, okay? Now I'm also going to share with you this powerful tool that you can use to do this even very, very much faster, okay? It's a tool by my friend Kevin David. It's called Marketer Magic. So once you open up marketermagic.com here, the link is somewhere down in the description of this video. I'm going to drop the link where you can sign up and create your own account. You have a 7 days free trial account, okay? So just go there, open up many leads. From many leads, you can also put up that search and it's going to be very faster for you. It's going to show you even the Facebook accounts of those clients. It's going to show you their pages, everything about them, okay? So it's a very powerful tool. But let's just continue and move ahead. So for example, this one now, you can see this is their phone number, okay? And this is their email. You can send them an email here. I can check out their Facebook and their email address is here, okay, on the contact page, and then be able to reach out to them, or you can even send them a message through their contact form here, okay. So I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to send to them, what you will say to them, so that they can be eager and willing to, you know, utilize the services that you're going to be rendering to them. All right, so let me show you that. So here is a script for you to send to them in order to find new clients, okay. So you can just say, you're losing customers. Hey, my name is Raymond and I run a digital marketing company in Soso City. I was checking out your website. You put a website URL. I noticed you don't currently have a Facebook pixel installed. This means that you are losing money on every single one of your website visitors because you are unable to retarget them and turn them into paying customers. I'm more than happy to show you how to set up this up completely for free, and it will take only 15 minutes of your time. Please contact me at my personal email. You put in your email address, or my phone number. You put in your phone number. If you're interested in not missing out on all the money that comes with a correctly installed Facebook pixel and retargeting campaign. Alright, so sincerely, Raymond. So you send them this script, and once you send them this script, they are going to reply, okay, because you have told them that they are missing out on much money, okay, which they could have gotten from retargeting ads. All right, so they would possibly be interested. So if you put in the hustle spirit and you send this to, let's say, about 50 dentists in your area, okay, at least 2 or 3 persons will be interested, and they're going to reply and, you know, set up something with you, okay. And then I also have a script here where you can just copy it and then use it for your retargeting ads, okay. Now that's basically what you need to do in this part. So I'm going to show you again, and the process when you get on phone with them, okay. I'm going to also share with you a script whereby you can actually use and implement and then follow it the way it is, and you are going to land more clients following the same procedure, okay. It is proven to work. So now I'm going to share that with you as well in this video. So here is a phone script that you can use to reach out to these clients when you're on call with them. Before the call, make sure that you are somewhere quiet with a strong connection so that your call will not drop, and ensure that you have something to take note with you, so that at the end of the day you can give them a summary of the call and keep track of what they said. Okay, this is very important. Now, introduction, you say, hi, my name, how are you? I'm excited to talk to you today to see how I can help you and all that. Okay, so you don't worry, you don't need to try to figure out all these things or to copy them down. I'm going to give you this script somewhere in the description of this video, so you can just download this script. I'm just going to send it to you, okay. Now, step 2, you're going to investigate, all right, then find out the main reason why they wanted to schedule that call with you, okay. So from there you can be able to know how you're going to help them, and then you now look at their current scenario, what their ideal customer is. You need to find out, and then how do their customers, how do they get leads, and what do they need in their business, okay. Now you move to the next step. You uncover their weak points. You find out if they are doing some sort of digital marketing, and if they're not doing it, tell them that okay, their competitors are already doing that, and so position yourself in a way that you yourself will be the one to bridging the gap to help them achieve that. And let them understand that if the competitors are already doing that, them also need to come up and start doing the same too, so that they can become the leader in their city, okay. Now, why they need you is the next step. And then in step 6, you now commit them, okay. I understand that you would like to start to scale this thing right now, so but how committed are you to see this through, okay. Now they will begin to tell you how they want to improve their business, how they want to get more patients, and, you know, offer more services, okay. So the script, everything is here. Then you're going to showcase your expertise, okay. Show them that yes, you know what you are doing and exactly know how to do these things. And then also I'm going to drop a link in this video of a complete training on how to run Facebook ads, okay. I'm going to drop that link. Just follow that link. It is free and you're going to learn a lot from that. That training is also for my friend Kevin David. He went into details on how you can begin to run Facebook ads. So on this video, in the description of this video, I'm going to drop that link to that training, okay. So now you're going to make them an offer that they cannot refuse. Okay, you tell them that the usual price I charge for this is $5,000 for initial setup and research and installation and optimization of your pixel. But my experience is that people who make decisive decisions are the best for doing great work together. Which means that clients who make a decision right here and now on the call get $4,000 off straight away. You see, so this is an offer that they cannot possibly resist, and they'll be like, they're already getting 4,000 off the normal charge, so they'll be willing to, sign up with you. Okay, so when you make that offer, okay, just listen and don't speak a word until they respond, and then before you can go ahead to say whatever you want to say. Okay, so if they accept, you send them your payment link. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can just create a PayPal invoice which you can send to them straight away, and that's the way you can collect money. It's easier and it's more professional, and it's more easier to collect money that way. So if you want to do it like on a monthly recurring charges or a one-off payment, I'm going to share that with you. So let's dive in. I'm going to share with you how you can create a PayPal invoice on this video. So on your PayPal dashboard, you're going to come to tools here and you're going to click on invoicing. So you're going to create an invoice here. Okay, so if you want it to be once only, you do that here. If you want it to be on a monthly basis, you can select every 1 month. Okay, then you're going to choose the dates where the invoice will be sent to them. Okay, now let's take for example on 29th of every month. Okay, now this is the due in 30 days. So every 30 days they're going to be sending them an invoice. Okay, all right, so that's how you do that. So you put the email address of the client. You can copy the email address to your own. Okay, then you provide the number of quantity and enter the description of what you want, quantity, add details, everything here. You can allow partial payments. You can just, all of that is very simple. Okay, so once you're just done, you create that and then send it to be PayPal will send them the invoice, and then they can be able to follow the link on their email address and make payments, or you can copy the link on your PayPal and just send directly to them. Okay, so whichever way is going to work. I hope you get that. Now I'm also going to show you some businesses would want to have a sort of an agreement or sign with them so that they can reach an agreement where both parties sign. So I'm going to share with you a sort of a business proposal that you can use to get such kind of deals signed. So it's also part of what you're going to be getting inside of the description in this video. There's a link that you can click and download all the scripts I'm sharing on this video. So here is an example of a digital marketing business proposal. Okay, you can just download it and then edit some things here, your company name. This is just for an example. Okay, it's for educational purposes only, but you can actually use this also for your business proposals. Okay, then the type of service that you want to provide to the company. Okay, online marketing proposal, the business challenge, the plan of action, everything is lined out here. The scope of work, Facebook pixel installation and targeting package. Okay, and here is the authorization part, the confidentiality determination and everything. Okay, the price, then you both sign, the client signs, the company signs. Okay, and you put in your name, and that's that. Okay, so with this now you can actually start up your own agency and begin to run ads for these businesses. You can actually be very much surprised on how they actually need your services and how many of them are going to say yes. So if you put on the hustle spirit and send out these messages, send out cold emails, reach out to them on Facebook, reach out to them on Instagram, their inbox, their email addresses, and begin to reach out to these businesses, you find out that at least in a week you may be able to get at least one client, and that will give you $1,000 every week. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you got some value from this video. If you like this kind of content, give it a smash up the likes, okay, and subscribe to my channel if you are here to subscribe to my channel, if you are new to my channel, because I drop this kind of videos every single day. Okay, and if you have any issues or any complaints, you can put it on the comments. I'll be there to attend to your comments and answer your questions. Okay, till next time, I might see you guys in my next video. Peace out.